What is something that seems innocent but is actually pretty intimate? 1. Accidentally touching legs or arms while sitting next to someone and they don't move away. 2. Looking into each other's eyes. Gets more intimate and more intense the longer you look. 3. For the first real haircut I got after lockdown eased, the barber gently unlooped my mask from my ear, shockingly intimate. Sorta took my breath away for a second. 4. When you are attracted to someone and they say your name. 5. Hugging somebody inside their jacket. 6. For some reason, having someone digging through or zipping up your backpack while wearing it. It gives me the same feeling as those childhood back games you would play. You know, crack an egg on your head, the yolk starts running down or spiders crawling down your back. Being a motorcyclist, it happens a lot more now since I travel with a backpack. 7. Hugging with intention. There is a difference between hugging Beck you gotta greet someone etc. and just hugging with intention. The type of I'm not feeling okay, can I have a hug maybe? 8. Placing your hands on someone's thigh without even grabbing. 9. Before we were together my girlfriend and I were at the club we volunteer at. I was standing by a desk in a narrow gap.